Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're taking a closer look at a new digital toolkit, the Vonde Pro App. It's really aiming to reshape how we manage our online presence, our networking. And our mission today is to, unpack what it is, how it actually functions, and maybe see if it lives up to those pretty bold claims.
Precisely. And at its core, Vonde Pro promises to be this, well, comprehensive digital toolkit. It's designed not just as another app, but to fundamentally streamline digital interaction by bringing multiple key functions into a one single platform. Their tagline, one platform, endless possibilities, really captures that ambition, doesn't it?
It does. And speaking of ambition, they've just made quite a significant move. The Vonde Pro app has officially launched worldwide. So it's now globally available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play, which sounds like it came after some extensive planning and development. What about this launch particularly stood out to you?
Well, what's really striking, I think, is the sheer global scale. Right out of the gate, we're talking about accessibility in 39 languages. That's impressive.
39. Wow.
Yeah. And this isn't just about availability. It's about making it truly usable for people in their native language from day one. So just to give you a feel, it supports English, Hungarian, German, French, Japanese, Spanish, Italian, Turkish, Polish, Arabic for the UAE, Russian, Ukrainian, Romanian, Slovak, loads of others.
Okay.
Now, there is a small note. For Arabic-speaking countries and Israel, it's currently English only for now, but they say localized versions are coming soon. But this wide language support, it's not just a detail, is it? It fundamentally changes how easily people can network globally, build those connections across borders.
That global reach is definitely impressive. But let's back up a bit. What's the fundamental problem Von Bro is actually trying to solve for, the average user? Because I think we've all been there, right? Fumbling for a business card, or maybe it's just switching between like 6 different apps to manage your online stuff. And VonPro claims it pulls everything together, digital business cards, your links, analytics, even wallet integration, all just one tap away. It sounds like they're really saying your digital presence is finally in your hands.
And that's exactly the pain point they're hitting. Vonde Pro positions itself as fast, modern, professional. And it does that by tackling that fragmentation you mentioned. I mean, today, our digital identity is often scattered, isn't it, across so many platforms?
Yeah, it really is.
So this app aims to consolidate those tools, offer a more cohesive digital identity, and cut down on that digital clutter and inefficiency we all feel. Just think about it. Whether you're managing your personal brand, running a business, or just networking at an event, having all these elements in one spot just streamlines things significantly. It's really about making your digital self more manageable, more impactful, more than just convenience.
Okay, so that's the pitch. But when we talk about these promises, what does it actually look like when you're using it? Let's maybe walk through some of the core functionalities, the things that make it tick. You mentioned consolidating things. They start with something called a Biopage, described as personalized, shareable micro websites. What's the real value there? Is it more than just another link in bio type thing?
Well, it seems to be positioned as more strategic than just a feature. Think of it as a dynamic, personalized mini website, a single link that acts as a central hub for your entire digital presence.
Okay, a hub?
Right. Imagine pulling together your LinkedIn, your portfolio, maybe a project link, your social media, all onto one clean, professional, shareable page. It's about controlling your narrative, really, making sure every interaction reinforces your brand and sends people exactly where you want them to go, instantly.
Got it. And it doesn't stop at the bio page, I assume. What other key features are packed into this toolkit?
No, it goes quite a bit further. Beyond the bio page, Vonde Pro is loaded with practical tools. For that physical sharing aspect, replacing the paper cloud, they've integrated full QR code generation and control right in the app.
Yeah.
And NFC tools as well.
NFC, so like contactless sharing.
Exactly. Near field communication. You just tap phones, essentially, to share your profile. Like a contactless payment, but for your info. It's very seamless.
Right. Makes sense.
And then there's the wallet integration, providing digital cards for both Apple Wallet and Google Wallet. Again, simplifying that digital exchange.
Okay, that covers the sharing part. What else?
Well, here's where it gets, I think, really interesting, especially for anyone serious about understanding their reach. The real-time analytics feature.
Ah, the data.
Yes, the ability to track every tap, scan, and visit. That offers really valuable, actionable intelligence. It's not just vanity metrics, Imagine optimizing your digital card or campaigns based on who clicked what link and where they came from.
That's a level of insight you just don't get from traditional networking, do you?
Not at all. And for marketers, they've specifically built in link shortening and campaign tracking tools, direct control over digital efforts. And finally, it even simplifies getting feedback. There's a review collection feature using a tap or QR code. So each of these isn't just isolated. They're designed to work together to enhance your digital interactions across the board.
So the app itself sounds pretty feature-rich, but Vonde Pro seems to be signaling this is just, well, the beginning. They're calling it the first step in a modular system built with a long-term vision. That sounds bigger than just an app. What does that broader strategic vision actually mean for the future? Where are they heading?
Yeah, it definitely points towards a more integrated ecosystem, something that goes way beyond the typical single-purpose apps we use now. Their ambition, as they lay it out, is to combine four key areas into one sort of fluid system.
4 areas. Okay, what are they?
First, your digital presence,
Yeah.
which the app handles now. Second, data-driven networking, leveraging those analytics we talked about. Third, automated marketing. And fourth, smart physical interaction, possibly linking digital profiles to physical objects or spaces via NFC or QR.
Interesting.
So it suggests this really comprehensive approach to digital connectivity, where your online identity, how you network, how you market yourself, even how you interact with the physical world, it all becomes part of one interconnected system. It's about building a future where these elements work together seamlessly, not as separate things you have to constantly manage.
Right. Okay, so to sort of wrap things up for today's deep dive, the Vonde Pro app is positioning itself as this comprehensive multi-language digital toolkit designed for fast, modern, professional networking. It's really about consolidating your digital presence, your tools, into one accessible place. And we've tried to unpack that today, looking at a tool that promises to help you, as they say, build smarter connections.
Exactly. And maybe this leaves us, and you listening, with an important question to mull over. In a world that relies more and more on digital interaction, what are the broader implications when so much personal and professional data gets centralized and tracked within a single integrated platform like Vonde Pro aims to be? How might a shift like that change the nuances of our relationships, our approach to privacy, even our understanding of data ownership? It kind of challenges us to think about what embracing the digital future really means for how we connect and share going forward.